Wanna know how to compete on the Snake IO leaderboard to get on the top? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm just going to drop you a quick guide on how you can do it so you can climb the Snake IO leaderboard easily. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Here's how to get there fast. The trick isn't just growing big, it's about surviving long. You need to focus on eating small snakes around you instead of chasing the giants because it carries more risk. So you need to also stay close to the center of the map where the action is hot. And once you've grown, use your size to block off the snakes and gain quick boosts. The longer you survive and the more snakes you eat, the higher you'll rise. Keep up that grinding and the leaderboard spot will be yours. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one. Bye.